Welcome. Thank you for your time. This is a video from our Business Building Roadshow, and today we are talking about the practicalities of making changes to businesses. Please feel free to enjoy the other videos and to subscribe. We're going to talk more about the drivers for change. This is not just that a new technology is there, that technology is transforming knowledge workers. It's a series of factors interplaying, coming together, that is driving the change, of which technology is a component. If you look at the diagram, there's a whole series of drivers that are impacting. There is legislation. Changes in legislation, especially in highly regulated businesses and regulated markets, drive the need for change and what the response for those changes are. Markets, what is happening in markets drives businesses and how they respond. Meeting customers' demands and customers' expectations is another key driver, as well as the costs of doing business. All of these are drivers to bring change. If you are in an industry that is highly dependent upon the physical environment, such as agriculture, then what is happening in the physical environment is also a major driver of your business, and its effects will also be managed through markets, customers, and costs. The two other ones are vested interest and incumbency. There are vested interests that want to stop transformation or at least slow it down. For whatever their motivation, to keep profit, to keep the existing opportunities, to resist the adoption of technology so that they can maintain their present position. There are vested interests that are driving change. They may resist the change up until a point that it becomes beneficial for that vested interest to support change and transformation. And you've got incumbency. This is overcoming all of the costs, all of the issues around incumbency. Incumbency can be a balance on so that the change is structured and well managed, but at some point incumbency becomes a barrier. The response of an organization is a mixture of its response to all of these drivers, both for the change and against the change. We have been talking about some of these influences on change before, how you have to have the leadership. The leadership changes the environment to change the behaviors of the people. You need the required training and skilling. You need a process for improvement, and you need to manage the risk. It's managing the risk of not changing, managing the risk of undergoing the change, and managing the risk of strategic impacts and strategic risk to your business, such as the changes coming from the rapid transformation and rapid adoption of technology. It is this balance of drivers versus the ability, the adaptiveness, the responsiveness, the resilience, and the capacity and capability to undergo the change. That is by far and away one of the difficult issues for business to manage. Here in the room, we're going to go back over some of the drivers with worked examples. For those following on the video, please feel free to pause and recap some of the aspects discussed or go over some of the other videos. Please feel free to get further details from the book, including case studies, scenarios, exercises, and practical implementation details. The book is available direct from the publisher, Amazon, or other bookstores. Any author profits from the book and the videos go to charity and community purposes. Thank you for your time. Hope you enjoyed the session and look forward to your comments. Don't forget to subscribe so that we can help you, and please make the most of the other videos.